Long before grocery store shelves were stocked with bottles and cartons, nature crafted its own nutrient-rich formula: milk. This remarkable liquid is produced by certain creatures to nourish their young, providing a perfect blend of fats, proteins, and sugars tailored for rapid growth and immune defense. The ability to produce milk likely began over 200 million years ago, when early ancestors needed a reliable food source for their vulnerable offspring. Over millennia, this adaptation helped ensure survival, bonding parent and young through nourishment and care.